All right, I'm back and I look older. I'm going to demonstrate reverse words in a string on Leetcode. Given an input string s and I changed it to str, reverse the order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in s will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of the words in reverse order, concatenated by a single space. Note that s or string may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between the two words. The return string should only have a single space separating the words, not include any extra spaces. Example 1, the sky is blue, blue is sky the, and then you see there's extra spaces here. Those get closed up and the words get reversed. Trailing spaces, no trailing spaces, and cool. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a variable named ARR, short for array, and set it to a blank array. And then I'm going to create a variable called split string, and it's going to take the whole string array right here, and it's going to split it at every space in the string. I will demonstrate. So we're splitting at every space. Going to take this split string variable, and we're going to loop through the length of it. Okay, we're going to make a conditional statement here. I'm going to ask if the split string does not equal a blank word, going to unshift, which is a JavaScript built-in function. Unshift means place the word at the front of the array, and then trim it, which takes away the empty space. And then finally, we're simply just going to return the array and join them at the blank quotation mark. I'm going to try running that. Cool. So it works. All right, this is a linear runtime complexity because we are looping through a given array of any given amount of words, and we have to unshift, meaning we have to re-index the array, so that in itself will make it linear, and it can be any number of words in the array. So we are linear runtime complexity, O of n. And then lastly, the space-time complexity is O of 1. Reason why it's constant is because the array doesn't need to get any bigger as the problem carries on to the finish line. As the problem compiles itself, the size of the array doesn't need to get any bigger. The compiler already knows if we're throwing in 100 words or 5 words or 1,000,000. It's going to stay that way throughout the problem. So constant O of 1 spacetime. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you soon.